Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enlarge text on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to enlarge text on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and from over here guys, on this interface at the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see there is the map icon, and at the side of that there is the messaging or text icon. Tap on it. And over here guys, in order to enlarge text on Snapchat, first we'll be chatting with somebody. So to do that, let's do it my AI, or on your case you can enlarge the text on Snapchat with whomever you want. So over here let's type a text, and you can see guys, this beside the text box or at the right side of the text box there is two arrows, one pointing up, one pointing down. You can see over here, tap on that and scroll it up and your text will enlarge, and if you release that it will be sent. And again, let's do that. Let's again tap a high, and there the two arrows icon appear, one pointing up and one pointing down. If you want to small on it you can, I guess, and but in order to enlarge it you can do up to this one, and you can release the send. And this is how you enlarge text on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.